This meditation will help you manifest a text message from a specific person, a friend, family member, colleague, or anyone you desire. By tapping into the law of attraction and using the law of assumption, we will focus on shifting your energy to manifest the text instantly and create the space for that text message to come through. Now take a deep breath, relax, and trust the process. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And as you're breathing, try to focus on the sensation of the cold air coming in through your nose and the warm sensation of the air flowing out of your mouth. Relax your entire body. Be present in the moment and just focus on your breathing. Now imagine yourself just going about your day normally. What are you doing? Are you on your way to work? Are you on your way to school? Are you cooking dinner? What are you doing? As you are doing whatever you are normally doing throughout your day, you hear the sound of your phone receiving a text message. Now you stop what you're doing as you hear the sound and you go and grab your phone. Now look at your phone, open it up, and tap on the app that you use to receive text messages. Now you see their name and picture. Imagine seeing their profile picture right now. Now open their message. As you open the message, feel the excitement in your stomach. You feel so excited to be receiving a text message from your person. You feel the excitement in your entire body. As you are opening the message, you see it, the message you have been waiting for. The exact message you have been wanting to see from them. Reread this message a few times. You are so relieved because you have finally received the message you have been waiting for. Now, as you continue to feel this excitement throughout your entire body from reading this message from your person, I'm going to count down from 5 to 1, and on 1, you will open your eyes. 5. Feel the excitement. 4. The excitement fills your entire body. 3. Feel the excitement in your toes. 2. Feel the excitement in your hands and in your heart. 1. Open your eyes. That emotion of excitement should be locked within your body. And if you cannot feel it, or you want to feel it stronger, you can listen to this meditation again. Type a heart to affirm this meditation. And if you would like to manifest more than just a text from your specific person, I can help you. All you have to do is head to joybyjanelle.com and I can help you manifest whatever you would like, just like thousands of my other clients. I hope you have a day full of love and joy. I will see you in the next meditation.